are you?
Okay.
Welcome back to our channel.
Yes.
We just went shopping and
epic shopping trip.
oh my god, we went everywhere in the world, but mostly in this haul we're showing you what food we got from Aldi and from Target.
Yes.
Because Target has the Tabitha Brown collection.
Woo.
And you get this free little
booklet.
Oh wow, this says issue 3 of 4. What?
Okay. So yeah.
I hope it was free because we took 2 of them.
I think it was.
Okay.
I hope. No, I'm pretty sure it was. Yeah.
It's so fun and colorful.
Like a lot of her different products. She's got a whole new line out at Target. Oh.
I absolutely love her housewares.
Yes, but now she has food too.
Can you believe it for Veganuary?
Tabitha, I'm very happy.
And you know what? Tabitha's doing great because a lot of her food was sold out. I was hoping to have gotten a lot more stuff than we actually did, but people went in there and scooped it up.
I don't blame them because it looked really good.
Yeah. But so this magazine, really fun. It's free. Go check it out. It's got some recipes in there. It's got some place cards in there. It's got some fun stuff. A lot of information. Bowie's getting up on the sofa.
Oh. Go ahead, Bowie.
Yeah.
Good boy.
Come on. There you go.
Good boy.
Okay, so what we got at Target, besides these 2 cool magazines, well, they're both the same. One for you to take home and pour over.
Wonderful.
And one for me.
Yes.
Vegan roasted garlic and Parmesan organic popcorn.
That looks so good.
And I got vegan dill pickle popcorn. We are popcorn aficionados.
We are.
There's a liar on the phone.
Yes, we still have a landline. People
Yes.
like, you have a landline?
Yeah.
I know. Okay, but yes, we love popcorn. Very excited to try both of these.
We also got some of this pickled okra. They had 2 different flavors. We got the garlic. I think they also had like a lemon one.
Yeah.
And they had a bunch of like different little sauces and spreads.
The aioli looks delicious. This is the lemon dill garlic spread.
So.
Oh wait, maybe this isn't the aioli, but they have aioli.
I thought it was.
I think it's pretty much the same.
They
type deal.
had so many products, but I really, really, really wanted to try her potato salad, but they didn't have it.
They were out of that one.
I wanted to try her burgers. They didn't have it.
I think there's more dips and stuff too.
There were more dips, yeah.
There's a lot of really great like trail mixes.
Right, and I can't eat those.
But the trail mixes, they looked good.
Yeah. She had the cutest salt and pepper shakers.
Of the dog.
Of the dog. Yeah. I was just like, oh my god, I wish I could get that, but I have so many salt and pepper shakers.
I know.
She had pitchers, she had teapots, she had tea, she had
lots of good stuff.
All kinds of stuff. So go and support her over at Target because
we need more.
The more you buy and support her, the more we will get in the future, which is what we want.
Mm-hmm.
We want to, further our message.
Yeah.
So, at Sam's Club, oh, I forgot to mention Sam's Club.
Yes, we also went to Sam's Club.
My husband's favorite snack when he comes home from work is pistachio nuts. He has a tiny little bowl of pistachio nuts every night when he comes home from work. That's his treat for coming home. And, not going somewhere else. And I've been trying not to buy chips and like garbagey stuff lately. So I feel like the pistachio nuts are a nice little treat for him. That's, okay, so it's a little bit higher in calories, but you're getting, oils and stuff like that, natural whole food. So he likes that. Also at Sam's Club, they started carrying the Beyond Popcorn Chicken. And what was that, like $12? For a 30-ounce bag.
Those are too good.
They also had the Alpha.
Yes, the Alpha chicken patties.
For $5 and change.
Such a great deal, and those are so tasty.
They are. Unfortunately, I can't eat either of those because they have gluten in them.
I would have gotten another package of the Alpha chicken patties, but I just don't have the room in my freezer.
Yeah. That's a great price, though.
Yeah, I also wanted to get some of these.
Around Christmas time, they had them on sale for $6 and change.
And we thought that was amazing.
But $5 and change? I should have went like...
Yeah.
Alright, so these were also on sale, the Beyond Burger. Don't buy the little brick pack.
Yeah, this is the better deal.
This is the better deal. This is basically...
You get 10 patties.
10 patties for $13.98 or something like that.
Mm-hmm.
So And that's going to be on sale until the 28th, right? Of January.
I think.
Oh, 22nd? Okay. Still good. So we got those. Then at Aldi, we stocked up on the oh no, sorry, I got this at Target too, the Miyoko's. I usually prefer the oat butter, and of course it's never in focus for me. I prefer the oat butter, but they don't have that. They only have that at the ShopRite that's not close to our house, and the health food store that's not close to our house. And we didn't get it the last week because I was like, oh, I can wait. And then I didn't realize I was so low on butter, so I just got this one. Yeah, I do. That's my butter of choice, vegan butter of choice, the Miyoko's. Yeah. It's the best. It tastes very good. It tastes delicious, and it's cultured, just like me. Spring mix. They had these gluten-free vegan chocolate chip cookies. We've had these before from Aldi. Good. They're very good. They're very small though. But you know what? You don't want to overdo it. Just a little goes a long way. Yeah. Little tasting bowl for dessert. French green beans. I got 5 packages of these because they were $1.99. These are normally $3.19 or $3.29. Great deal, and I love those. This brings me back to my childhood and beyond. My dad would only buy these kind of string beans all the time and make them fresh. He did not want to know about canned veggies. He did not even like frozen for the most part, unless it was like peas or something that you can't get like fresh. Mm-hmm. Always fresh. More scallions. We loaded up on the tofu. We loaded up on the baby carrots. I got some more for when, you know, for my breakfast. I like the frozen ones. So we got some corn. We got some green beans. And then, oh yeah, cilantro was also, fresh cut salsa was also at Sam's Club. So let's run over here. Maddie got some delicious grapes because
for D&D night.
She loves her resveratrol. Clean out those arteries, girl.
Yeah.
We got some broccoli. Love it. I love making black-eyed peas in January every year. It's a tradition that my mother-in-law would always make black-eyed peas for New Year's. Mm-hmm. I got some more of the lentil lasagna sheets. Recently made some lentil lasagna for you to take.
With non-vegans, non-gluten-free.
Yes, that's right. And my favorite gluten-free pasta is this one from Aldi, and it's organic, and it just so happens to be $2.15, the best price I've ever seen for gluten-free. For a whole pound. This is a pound package. You can't beat that. And
1
it's
pound.
The best tasting.
Yeah.
It doesn't get mushy. It holds up if you cook it and then reheat it. It's still delicious. It doesn't turn into, you know, gummy. And it's great. So that is what these 2 vegans ate on this given day.
We eat all this?
We're going to eat it tonight. Just kidding. This is going to last for a while. We're not going to have to, you know, replenish this for a while. So it might even last more than a week. But we're still going to go out for other stuff. You know, because you got to fill in the cracks where you can. Of course. Because, I mean, ShopRite's a whole different story. We were just talking about this when my mom was growing up. She used to say that she went to multiple stores all the time with her mom. You know, they had to go to the butcher. They had to go to the bakery. They had to go to the fresh market. They had to go to the grocery store. They had to go to the fishmonger.
It's a whole thing.
It's a whole thing. Well, it is for us too, because I mean, we buy certain things at certain stores to get the best price. So nothing's really changed.
Well, things have changed, but you know.
Everything stays the same in a different way, I feel like. You know, it just evolves a little bit, but the problems are just the same.
Yes.
The faces may have changed, but the problems are just the same. Mm-hmm. So I hope you enjoyed our little haul for Veganuary. Let us know if you tried the Tabitha Brown line. I'd like to go to, I honestly would like to run out to the other Target that's by us and see if they have other products that, you know.
Yeah, because I want to try them.
I do too, and it's a limited edition.
Yeah.
Which means they're not getting any more in, which really sucks because we need this full time. If there's a way, let Target know that we need this full time because we do. Okay, there you have
Thanks
it.
for watching.
And until next time,
Much
much love.